Hello everyone, how are you all? I'm Khalid from Mathematics channel. In our channel, we cover the following things: mathematics basic facts and tricks, mathematical shortcut, mathematical theorems and axioms, multiple methods for one for single question, and secondary and higher grade syllabus also will be uh, solving. Mathematics and science syllabi will be covering, and of course the doubt clarifications also will be there. Yeah, here I am with a motivational poem for this COVID-19 conditions. Here we go. I'll teach you in a room, I'll teach you on Zoom, I'll teach you in your house, I'll teach you with a mouse, I'll teach you here and there, I'll teach you because I care. So just do your very best and do not worry about the rest. So here subscribe our channel and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.